Double my money challenge. That's what we're going to be launching come January. So let me know what you guys think of this in the comments below. I'm going to use $10,000 and see how long it takes me to double that. I'm a buy and hold long-term investor, and I want to make most of these videos around investing and throw in some trading because I am personally grew my portfolio through stock market investing, buy and hold long-term investing on companies I believe in for the long run, while supplementing the growth with some trading. Short-term trading with options or also with stock, using margin for short-term trades, holding stocks for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks at a time and selling out. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for this. I'm gonna use $10,000 and I'll do a weekly update once a week on my positions and see how I'm going. It's all for entertainment purposes only and to see how I do with a $10,000 amount while only allowing myself to use a maximum of 50% of my account size in margin. Those are gonna be the rules. All the rules are is I use 10,000 to start and I'm allowed to use 50% of my account's value with margin. So if I end up getting to 15,000 as my account value, I'm allowed to use up to 7,500 extra on margin to supplement the gains. So leave a comment below if you're excited for this. I'm pumped to share my decisions and share the growth of the portfolio. I'm gonna be using, it is my US margin account. There's zero cash, zero portfolio value. Now there's buying power that is available because it's attached to my other account. However, like I said, I'm only going to be using 10,000 upfront and then 5,000 maximum as margin. After that, if the portfolio grows, I will only allow myself to use 50% of the account value in margin. Now, I have not decided on what trades I'm looking at, but we can take a look at my watch list just so we can see what I might be potentially using when we start this challenge. And like I said, I want to run this challenge for the beginning of January. And it's going to go throughout January into the months and see how long it takes me to double my account without doing some crazy risky trades. I'll give you my thought process behind them all as well. So my current watch list, these are the ones I'm looking at. And I'm not going to say them all out loud, but we can just take a look as I scroll down. I may dabble some into some penny stocks for some accelerated gains. But for now, again, I don't have any in mind. This challenge will be starting in the beginning of January for the new year. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to everyone. I hope you and your family stay safe and stay positive throughout this. We're on the come up here and I really believe we're going to beat this coronavirus very shortly. So just stay positive, keep doing what you can, and let's continue to grow our portfolios. With that being said, that's going to conclude the video. Stay tuned for the first week coming up at the beginning of January when I make my first trades. Super pumped, and I'll see you in the next video.